There's a popularized tripartite theory of the brain where like early reptiles just had the middle of the brain and then mammals have the middle. That's completely false. What really differentiates different species is how much they use those parts of the brain, and those parts of the brain get expanded. There's something called phylogenetic refinement that Paul Chizik is a really big part of that shows that what we're engaging in is actually an expansion of old abilities. So when we think about what we're doing in terms of like narrative exploration and all of these kind of things, the frontal lobe, where a lot of this stuff is used for movement. It's used to plan out, like, what do I need to do to go and grab that actual thing? And what we see in animals is that they're doing that. They're making plans. They're able to kind of work through these things. But there's this really interesting gradient in the frontal lobe. The further back you get in the frontal lobe, the more concrete the things are that you're actually engaging with. Like, I'm actually picking up this water bottle. I'm doing that in terms of motor planning. But then the further you get to the front, these parts of the brain that are a lot more expanded in humans, it becomes a lot more abstract. And so now I'm moving through abstract space. I'm moving through the future, I'm moving through the past, right? It's still a sequence of motor actions of like, what am I moving towards? But now it's a model that's more long-term and more long horizon. And we as humans have much more long horizon capability than any other planet on the species, or species on the planet.